Anna's surprise vocabulary. 1. Hear. Meaning, to listen to a sound. Sentence, I can hear music. 2. Idea. Meaning, a thought or a plan. Sentence, she has a good idea for the game. 3. Enough. Meaning, as much as needed. Sentence, I have enough water to drink. 4. Cultures. Meaning, the way people live, including food, clothes, and traditions. Sentence, different countries have different cultures. 5. Plain. Meaning, simple, with no extra things. Sentence, she wore a plain white dress. 6. Products. Meaning, things made or sold. Sentence, the store sells many products like milk and bread. 7. Spicy. Meaning, having a strong, hot taste. Sentence, this soup is very spicy. 8. Ingredients. Meaning, the foods used to make a dish. Sentence, flour and eggs are ingredients for cake.